Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I just did this like fall vampy purpley look. I feel like this is like a plumish look actually. I don't know, I was inspired by like some pictures on Pinterest. I can actually post a picture somewhere on here so you guys can see exactly what I was talking about. But basically I was really inspired and I had to record today. So you know how like again, when you want to do something really bad, it's like you have 15,000 obstacles to stop you from doing it. That was today. But I pushed through, and this is the look that I came up with. I really like it. This look reminds me of like, this lip, I should say, reminds me of like the galaxy for some reason. Like, you see the like tints of blue? Like, I don't know. Anyway, hopefully everything sounds better. I did get a new mic, and I am trying to like pretty much soundproof my walls so that way it doesn't sound like I'm actually like echoey and everything else. But anyway, that's besides the point. I really hope you guys enjoy this look, and trust me, I enjoy creating it, and I feel like I look nice. Like these looks lately, these like fall looks that I've been pushing out, I've been feeling myself. You know what I'm saying? Like I don't even feel myself like that normally, but lately I've been feeling myself. Like I don't know, like who is she? I don't know. I don't know who she is, but I like her. I like her. Anyway, just joking. I'm joking, but I'm really not joking. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to know when I'm actually posting a video, you guys can actually click the notification bell. I'll put a thing right there, and you guys can click that notification. Again, thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
So I'm starting off with a clean face. I just put lotion on my skin, and next thing you'll see me doing is putting on my Makeup Revolution in C12, and I'm putting this all over my eyelids to prime my eyelids and get ready to start putting my makeup on. So I'm just going into my Juvia's Place palette. I'm going to be using these palettes a lot because I just got them, so just a heads up for you guys. And I'm just using a color that matches my skin tone, and as you already know, everything that you see me using is going to be listed in the description box below. Now I'm just going in with like a brick red color and blending that into my crease. These are just my transition colors. So that's what you see me doing right now, just doing a transition color until I get to the lid. Now here I'm just taking a purple and I'm blending it into my crease. You're going to see me doing this a few times. This is an old MAC brush that I'm blending it in the crease with. And excuse the noise if you hear anything in the background. It is like, I don't know, it's the beginning of the morning and I feel like I'm hearing traffic and the people are cutting my lawn. It's just a lot of noise. Now in order to deepen that crease up, I am just using this like small little fluffy brush and putting it into my outer V. And I'm just going to use like a darker purple in order for me to like almost smoke it out. Again, I'm going back in and I'm blending everything together so everything looks seamless. And you'll see at the end, everything looks really well blended. Now I'm going in and I'm using like a flat concealer brush and I am just cutting my crease. I'm using the C12 to cut my crease in order for it to be again lighter than my skin tone in order to make the colors really pop. Now I'm just taking Colourpop Amaze and I'm putting that all over where I just placed the concealer. And now I'm just going back in with that small little blending brush and just just blending in those colors so it looks seamless and it doesn't look like I have a line going straight down my eyelid. So I'm just coming back on camera after I put on my liner and lashes, and that little blue dot is eyelash glue, in case you guys are wondering. And right now I am priming my face. I'm using my Mary Kay primer again for my face because I felt like last time it looked really nice. And after I do this, I'm actually going to start putting concealer on my face. Again, I'm going in with my Makeup Revolution, and that is the one in, I think this is C13. Last time I was telling you guys like I was having an allergic reaction kind of thing almost, where my skin was tingling, but this time I didn't. And again, sorry for the noise if you hear it. My long guys are really adamant about making sure the lawn is nice. Now I'm just going in with Rihanna's Fenty Beauty's Truffle, and this is like a matchstick foundation, and I'm putting this all over my face and just blending it out. Just FYI, if you guys see that piece of lace on the side of my head, just go ahead and ignore that. That would be great. Thanks. So now I'm just going in with my Peach Perfect, and this is my like setting powder that I'm using lately, and I'm putting this under my eyes. I think the key here, remember last time I was saying I kind of look ashy, I think it's just to put on very little product and then blend it in. I actually did this after I put my foundation on, so I don't know if that made a difference, but this time I did not feel like I looked ashy. And again, I'm contouring with my Queen CoverGirl collection, and I'm just contouring my nose, my cheeks. I didn't really contour my nose, like fully contour it this time, I guess. I just put like it slightly. And now I'm going into my eyebrows. Yeah, see me trying to fix my lace? Ignore that. Going in with my eyebrows, and I am going to be like off camera for this. So if you guys would like to see a eyebrow tutorial like updated 2018, let me know and I will make sure to get on that. This next part is just hilarious, so just take a listen.
I don't want to be seen.
Okay.
Will you see me?
No, because I have my thing up.
Wait, okay.
Oh, I can see you in the corner. I'm gonna put you in the video. I'm gonna put you in there.
Don't put me.
Put yourself in the thing.
Can you say me over here?
So I hope you guys got a little bit of comic relief from that. I was cracking up with my mom. So basically I was out of frame and I didn't realize it when I put my lips on. And I will again list this in the description box. I think this is a Maybelline matte color. I thought it was gonna be like a deeper purple, like MAC heroin kind of thing. I'll put a picture up. And then I went over it with my Celavi little lip things that I got from Amazon. What is this called? Lip gloss. And that's it for this look, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. You're gonna see me do a few hair flips and such. Because again, I told you I was feeling myself. Yes, honey. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.